In this video, I'll show you how to write user stories in Jira using Claude AI. First, sign into your Claude account and start a new chat. Next, ask Claude to generate user stories for your project. For example, you can type, "Create Jira user stories for a food delivery app." Include the user story, acceptance criteria, priority, and description. Format everything as a CSV file for Jira. After that, review the user stories Claude generates and make any changes you want before downloading the file. Now, save the file to your computer and open Jira. Next, go to Settings, then System, and select External System Import. After that, choose CSV as the import option and upload the file you downloaded from Claude. Now, Jira will guide you through the import process. Follow the prompts, map the fields if necessary, and continue through each screen. Next, complete the import and wait for Jira to create the user stories automatically. After that, open your Jira project and go to the backlog section. You'll see the imported user stories ready to be organized into epics and sprints. Finally, review the stories, adjust priorities if needed, and start planning your sprint using the user stories generated by Claude AI. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to write user stories in Jira using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.